Okay, so you can do auto layout in a few different ways. Today I think we're going to just create a button and I'll show you how to do auto layout within that button. So let's first go ahead and get a rectangle. We'll make our button background. And let's give it some radius on the corners. Let's give it a nice gradient. Okay, now let's put text in there, and what we want to do here is we're going to make a box of text, and we'll want to get it centered. So let's button, make it white. Let's center it in our box. Let's center it in the middle as well. I'm going to bump up the font. Okay, so here's our button. So I'm going to grab both of them and I'm going to turn them into a group, which is just Command G on Mac. And now, once I have this as a group, it'll say group up here. You're going to click down, you're going to go to frame. Now that this is a frame, what we could do is we have this option here for auto layout. We're going to hit the plus button, and you can see it already automatically just shrunk. So basically, we're just doing a button. So our background turned into the frame itself, and now the only layer we have under this frame is our type layer. So now we want to make sure we click on the frame panel itself, and then here's our auto layout panel, and I'm going to click align center. This right here is the horizontal space between my type and the frame. Or sorry, if I had two, let's just say I had two texts, right? So let's just do copy paste. These two layers right here, that's what this horizontal space between items means. So you could see right here as I go up on my keyboard and go down, that's the only difference there. So for now, we only need one. Horizontal padding and vertical padding, that's gonna be what changes here. So if we want this button to be taller, we would just move this up. Let's just say 24, 16, and you can see that move. And then the same thing here, horizontal, but it's side to side. So if you go up, you can see that. So this is super easy as you play around with it, especially for a button. And now the cool thing is with this button, it'll automatically resize if you type different text into it. So now you could write and it'll auto resize. So this is super convenient if you're creating a design or a design system that needs to be edited or altered later, but you keep your padding and all your margins the same. Super cool way to do that. So that's pretty much it for a button. If you guys want to learn how to do like forms or whole pages, you could do that too. It's a little bit more involved, but for just getting started and playing out with auto layout, I think this is a really easy way to do that. So Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave comments if you want to learn anything else, and like and subscribe to the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.